Welcome back to Dream Car Garage, the latest and greatest automotive channel on YouTube, where we're going to be showcasing some of the world's most beautiful vehicles and driving them like we stole them. In this episode, I introduce to you the classic old school muscle car, the 1970 Chevy Chevelle. It doesn't get any better than this. The classic big body muscle car with a V8 454 engine in the front. This one would definitely be in my Dream Car Garage. And as you could tell, it's got a ton of great features. I love that raised hood scoop there. The classic old school chrome bumpers on the front and the rear, along with the side mirror you can see there. It's got a ton of great lines. They're timeless. This car will never get old, even though it's an old car. But enough about that. You can see it's sexy, but let's jump into this bad boy and see what it do. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump into my design of the 1970 Chevy Chevelle. And as you can tell, I went with the dark gray. I threw that carbon stripe along the side and accented it with that little orange stripe there as well. I threw the pinstripe on the wheels, made the wheels a satin stainless steel just to give it that old school hardcore muscle look. And that same raised scoop I was telling you about earlier, I actually made that carbon fiber, so it kind of sticks out a little bit more too. Gives it a little bit more modern design take on it. But it's mean, dark, that's what I was going for. Let's jump in it. Thank you for watching the video. I definitely appreciate your time. If you like the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out, and it helps to show my videos to more people on YouTube, because it shows them that you guys like my stuff. Now, definitely comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your dream car is. Let me know what you thought of my design, what you would do different. You never know. Your dream car might just end up in the next video. Thanks again, and have a great day.